Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What's this, Ariel? What do you have? What's that? What is that, Ariel?
Okay.
It's an egg surprise?
Hmm?
Wow, look at that. It is an egg surprise. Oh no!
It's okay. She doesn't have to eat the chocolate. Mommy's gonna get it. Mommy will get it.
Here we go. What's that? How do you open it?
You sit down. Sit down.
Wow! What's inside, Ariel?
There's something inside.
What's that inside?
Oh no. There's some toy inside.
Let's find out what's inside. You need help?
You just push it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Here we go, Ariel.
What's inside?
What's this? It has...
Stickers?
No, it's just a paper with what kind of toys they have.
Sit.
What's it? Show it to Daddy.
Show it to Daddy. Let me see.
Like this. It's Kristoff. Show the toy. Where's the toy?
Oh, it's
Kristoff.
Kristoff.
Stop.
Wow. Kristoff. It's hard to see.
You have to push it.
See.
Wait.
See.
All right, Ariel. Good job.
Mommy eat it?
No, don't eat it.
Mommy eat it?
No, it's
Nobody's
okay.
gonna
We
eat
drop it on the floor. So. It's
I don't
yucky
even know
now.
if it's safe to eat this chocolate.
Smells good though.
Wow, you opened your first egg surprise. Chocolate egg surprise.